I've got a thought. So, I have struggled with what to do with this here Jeep. Sell it, get another toy, fix it up, make it my toy. I had a new thought. I don't want to work in the business I'm in forever, but, it's pretty convenient. It's comfortable. But how cool would it be to have a Jeep welding rig? Now here's the situation. I'm a certified welder. I have a degree in welding. But I hardly ever use it. I use it a little bit at my job. But I don't have a garage. I haven't bought a house with a garage. That's not mine. That's at the apartments. So I'm like, I can't really do much with my welding degree at the house unless I have a portable welder and a welding rig and I go weld things for people. The situation is, I tried looking up if people have used Jeeps as welding rigs. I didn't see much in the way of that type of thing other than Jeep Gladiators. They had Gladiator welding rigs. They were cool. And then I looked into SUV welding rigs, and they don't really have that either. Is there a reason why people don't use SUVs? Like, obviously, you can't really weld inside of the SUV unless you fireproof it somehow. Like, that'd be complicated. But surely you can put a welder and your tools in the back and just, like, run it in the back. Well, I guess if you have a generator welder, which is likely what you'll have, when you're running it, the fumes and stuff will get into the back. Maybe you could, like, don't mind the mess back there. I keep a lot of stuff in here. Maybe you could, like, put a wall right behind the seats so that it's separated, or maybe, well, kind of like a snorkel, like a vent. Put a vent in the ceiling where you run the welder pipe out. Maybe. I don't know. It's a cool thought, Fix the Jeep up a little bit, make a welding rig. Sorry if I'm just talking your ear off, but this is what this whole video is about. I do hope you like it and subscribe and stick around on the channel, but this is just my thoughts, my thoughts. No, seriously though, I am considering the options. Maybe I do want to do a welding rig, but I don't want to do it with this Jeep. So maybe I should just take the Jeep, trade it in on a somewhat cheap truck, and do a welding rig with the truck. But trucks are so expensive right now. They'll probably never come back down either. It's going to be like this forever. I don't know. Considering my options. Thanks for listening to my little rant type thing for 3 minutes. Like the video and subscribe. I'll see ya.